Hello, I am Nahida and welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a traditional favorite soft, juicy golden malpua. Crispy at the edges, soft in the center and soaked in fragrant sugar syrup. What more could you want in a dessert? Let's start. In a blender, add 1 cup suji or semolina, 3/4 cup milk, blend until smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl. Now add half cup flour or maida, 2 tablespoons sugar, half cup water. Mix well and let the batter rest for 10 minutes. Resting the batter helps the suji absorb the liquid, making the malpua soft and fluffy. Now making sugar syrup. In a separate pan, add half cup sugar and 1 cup water. Let it come to a boil. Add a few strands of soaked saffron and 1 to 2 drops of yellow food color. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly sticky. Stir well before turning off the heat. Before frying, mix into the batter 1/4 cup milk powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Mix everything nicely. This gives the malpua that extra softness and a beautiful golden texture. Malpua is one of the oldest Indian sweets. It even finds mention in ancient Vedic text. Heat oil on medium heat. Pour small amounts of batter into the oil, just like mini pancakes. Fry until both sides turn golden brown and crispy at the edges. Take them out and immediately soak in the warm sugar syrup. Let them soak for a few minutes to absorb all the sweetness. While it's a sweet treat, using suji adds some fiber and the milk powder brings protein, so enjoy in moderation. Finally, garnish with cashew nuts or your favorite dry fruits. So here's our crispy, juicy malpua straight from the pan to the heart. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And of course subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more yummy and easy dessert recipes. Let us know in the comments, do you like your malpua soft, crispy or both? Until next time, happy cooking!